Hey guys, this is an unboxing and hands-on review of NoiseFit Endure. Indian smart wearables and accessories brand, Noise is launching yet another smartwatch, with the moniker NoiseFit Endure, that is designed for durability and functionality. The smartwatch has hardened stainless steel bezels, and an IP68 rating for water resistant. So let's start the unboxing, and see what's inside in this box. Looking like a classical round wristwatch, it boasts of an LCD display, with 100 cloud-based watch faces, to choose from, doubling up as a fitness tracker, to detect the wearer's heart rate, calorie count, steps taken and so on. The fitness tracker has 9 sports modes, and the company claims that, the smart device can last up to 20 days, without requiring a recharge. Data collected by the NoiseFit Endure, can be retrieved with a nifty smartphone app, called NoiseFit, available for both iOS and Android smartphones. As with similar smart wearable devices, it has features like notifications, alarms, music, and camera remote control, among others. The LCD display is touch-enabled, and measures 1.28 inches, while the device weighs in at 48 grams. It is compatible with Android smartphones, running on Android 5 and above, and with devices running on iOS 8.0 and above. The key highlights include, the choice of hardened stainless steel for its bezels, its water resistance rating, Bluetooth 5.0, and long-lasting battery. It can record sleep patterns, and maintain a record of 24 hours, of the user's heart rate. It can be bought in 4 color options, namely, Classic Black, Dan Brown, Charcoal Black, and Teal Green. There are 2 strap options to choose from, one made from fused leather, and another crafted in silicone. The NoiseFit Endure is priced at 3,999 rupees, and will be available for order on the company website, noise.com, and you can also purchase from Amazon India, and select retail stores. So guys, what do you think about NoiseFit Endure? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys, see you guys, next one.